Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving two linear equations in two variables with linear combination. To understand the concept, let's do some questions. The first one says solve and we're given two equations. Let's rewrite them. Negative 3x minus 3y equals to negative 3. Second is 3x minus 4y equals to negative 25. Now what our method would be, we first eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other. After finding the value of one variable, we plug the value of that variable in any one of the equations to find out the other. Now if you observe carefully, if we add the two equations, that is the first one and the second one, our x will get eliminated because here we have negative 3x and here we have a positive 3x. So adding the two equations, let's write it, negative 3x plus 3x minus 3y minus 4y equals to negative 3 minus 25. So this becomes 0. Negative 3y minus 4y is a negative 7y equals to negative 3 minus 25 is a negative 28. To find out the value of y, we divide by negative 7 on both sides, and when we solve this, we get y equals to 4. Now we use this value of y equals to 4 and plug in any of the equations. So I put the value of y equals to 4 in the first equation and see what I get. Negative 3x, negative 3 times 4 is a negative 12 equals to negative 3. First we add 12 to both sides. Here we get negative 3x, this cancels to 0, equals to negative 3 plus 12 is a positive 9. To find out the value of x, we divide by negative 3 on both sides. This cancels to 1. 9 divided by negative 3 is a negative 3. So this is our value of x. So the final answer is x equals to negative 3 while y equals to 4. This is the answer, can be seen in option B. Let's try the next question to make it more easier. Solve 3x minus y equals to negative 6 and 2x minus 2y equals to 0. Let's multiply the first equation by negative 2 and we keep this as multiplied by 1 only. So negative 2 times 3x is a negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative y is a positive 2y equals to a positive 12, and the second equation as it is. Now if you observe carefully, if we add the two equations, the y will get eliminated. So positive y and negative 2y becomes 0. Negative 6x plus 2x equals to 12. So negative 6x plus 2x is a negative 4x equals to 12. To find out the value of x, we divide by negative 4 on both sides. This becomes 1. 12 divided by negative 4 is a negative 3. So we found the value of x as negative 3. Now we'll plug x equals to negative 3 in the first equation. Our first equation is 3x minus y equals to negative 6. 3 times negative 3 minus y equals to negative 6. 3 times negative 3 is a minus 9 minus y equals to negative 6. We add 9 to both sides first and let's see what we get. This cancels to 0. Negative y equals to negative 6 plus 9 is a positive 3. So y equals to negative 3. So the value of x is negative 3 and y is also negative 3. This is our final answer, can be seen in option B. Let's try the next question. Solve 2x minus 3y equals to negative 9 and negative 3x minus 4y equals to negative 12. In the first equation we can multiply it by 3, and the second equation we multiply it by 2. Let's see what we get. 3 times 2x is a 6x minus 9y equals to negative 27. Negative 6x minus 8y equals to negative 24. Now if you see, if we add the two equations, the x would get eliminated. So adding the two equations, this becomes 0. Negative 9y minus 8y equals to negative 27 minus 24. This is negative 17y equals to negative 51. We divide by negative 17 on both sides, and let's see what we get. This cancels to 1. This is equals to negative 51 divided by negative 17 is a positive 3. So y equals 3. So we'll plug y equals to 3 in the first equation. 2x minus 3y equals to negative 9. This will give us the value of x. 2x minus 3 times 3 equals to negative 9. 2x minus 9 equals to negative 9. We add 9 to both sides first. So this also becomes 0. This also becomes 0. 2x equals to 0. Therefore, x is also equals to 0. Our final answer is 0, 3, which can be seen in option C. I hope solving two linear equations into variables with linear combination is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.